Hello everyone. With Agardio.manager, it is possible to embed up to 10 meters from other manufacturers, such as Socomec, Imesys or Entes. For this, the meter needs to be wired and programmed. This example shows a meter from Entes which has been embedded as follows. Use the menu to reach the communication setting RS485. Check the address which has been set up in the meter. Then, check if the modbus parity is an even parity, and if the baud rate is 19,200 bits. Once we have checked these settings, the meter can be embedded into Agardio.manager.